Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share you about how to make a thumbnail through canva.com. So you guys or you might thinking that what is canva.com? So Canva is graphic design tool or you can use through the web search. So thumbnail should be very attractive or appealing to the eyes of viewers or your audience as it is the first impression which viewers can click. Just type canva.com free because I'm using the free version of Canva. So click on the collaborate and create amazing graphic design for free. Just click on that. So this is the home page of Canva look like. So before heading towards to make a thumbnail, I just want to say Canva is very easy tool to use even for beginners and it have a great features which your thumbnail look stunning and amazing. If you are looking for making thumbnails to your YouTube channel or video, so without spending complicated design program, so head towards canva.com and follow my step. You you will not regret, you will like it. So without further delay, I just want to start. In the search bar, just type YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, 1280 into 720 pixel. Just click on that. So there's lots of options which you can choose. If you want to create from the blank or scratch, just click on that. Otherwise, if you want to choose the thumbnail or theme you can which will match to your content or relevance to your content, you can choose from that. Some are paid or some are free. So there's lots of style and theme sections. So in style I will choose the bold, and there's a and theme I will choose the YouTube because I'm making thumbnail for the YouTube. And price section I will choose free one. So it's really important to save on your desktop or file if you want to upload to the Canva. So I'm creating from the blank or scratch. I'm creating thumbnail from the scratch. So before making thumbnail, it's really important to know all these things: template, elements, uploads, text, style, audio, background. In template you will find all the template which you will need. In element there's lots of icon and images which is relevant to your YouTube content, or if you want to add to your thumbnail. In upload you can upload media, pics or image from the desktop or files or download. In the text section you can add text which will be bold to your thumbnail, so it will be appealing or attractive to your viewers or audience. In style there's a lot of style. As you can see, there's lots of style. You can choose whichever you want, you need or you want, which is relevant to your brands or content. There's lots of audio, you can choose from that. This is the background. There's a vintage, or some are very cute ones, some very relevant to the nature. So this is a blank canva, as you can see. So I will I will choose the background as this this is very stunning and vintage, which I feel. So I'm gonna creating from the scratch. I will upload from my desktop. Just click on upload media. So today I'm making a thumbnail about the movie which is called The King's Daughter. So I will make a bigger size. Bigger size. So you can type text which is appealing or creative so that your viewer can see or click on your content. Today I'm making thumbnail about the King's Daughter rating. Just make a small because it's too big. The text should be very bold or which will see the viewers or audience of your YouTube channel. You can increase the size. Or you can change the color also. There's lots of color as per your taste or your as per your which is matched to the thumbnail. The King's Daughter. So I'm gonna use some I will choose that text. I will increase the size. So I will choose some icon in the search bar. Whatever you type, it will appear. So I'm gonna type arrow. You can adjust it as per your needs. You can choose some flowers. Yeah, that's it. It's really important to download through the PNG so it will accept your YouTube. Choose the PNG and click on the download. So it already saved in the download file. As you can see, there's the king daughter. Yeah. Now you deserve click on your YouTube channel. If you have any question regarding thumbnail, drop question or write on comment sections. If you think this is helpful, or do support or subscribe my channel.